Okay, so it's going to be like 10:30, I guess. We're going to Paucartambo main square because we're going to, well, like a tour, but it's not a tour. It's just like a small trip to see
The sunrise.
okay, the sunrise of
Paucartambo.
Paucartambo.
Yeah.
So we are taking warm clothes, also some blankets because they told us that there at at 5 a.m. it's like 10 degrees, so 5 degrees.
Zero, actually.
Okay, so once we arrive to Paucartambo main square, we're just going to wait more people and then going to Paucartambo. So we're here in the main square, and this is, well, one of the vans that is going to take us to Paucartambo. There's one van missing that is going to come, and that's where we're going to go. So we're just here in Paucartambo in the national park. Huh?
In Manus National Park.
Manus National Park.
Is
And well, as you can see, it's all dark, and well, that's the moon, I guess. And it's well, you can see that it's very dark. We are using the lights of the car, and well, ¿cómo se dice despejado?
it's very clear.
Well, the sky is very clear when you're going to show. Well, that's the moon, and you can see some stars. Well, I guess the camera doesn't show, but there are some stars. There's what? Only the brightest appears on the camera. But if you come here and see the sky, you will see a lot of them.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
So this is what you can see around 5:30, almost 6.
It's like a mattress of clouds.
Well, this is the last record. It's almost 7 a.m. This is a view. We were in, well, we were in that mountain where you can see some people over there, and also you don't have to be worried. Behind this house there are bathrooms if you wanna go, And well, that's all. Now we're going to have breakfast and going back to home. So now we're heading to Vatacto Rings, which is over there. And well, this is the view of where the rings. As you can see, there are some houses. So there's two. No, well, there's not a lot of people here, and that's an old cathedral or church. So let's go. Well, so this is a rings.
Puede ser por ahí, puede ser por acá detrás también.
Hay subida por ambos lados.
Ajá, sí, solo que siempre pisen bien.
Gracias.
So here's one ring and another one over there. They told us that there's a viewpoint over there, and also that we can take pictures right there. Where's that person? Well, the viewpoint is actually where the way to go down to the city, where the car just came. So this is the view of the little town, the church. Over here is the ring and another one. You will see all I don't know, dry, because well, we are in dry season, but all here you can see when it's the raining, it's all green and all that. Archaeological site. Oh, what tuk. So as you can see, between the mountains, one big mountain, another one, and also the river, which goes all the way down. And now we just have arrived to the Chul Pass, and as you can see, there's an awesome view. Yeah, and also you can see over there. Ya se cayó ya. Well, the Chul Pass were old funeral towers, and their origins are Aymara and Quechua. These were built for high status people.